I am building a super easy raised bed. The reason I am doing this, even though I have 16 large raised beds right in my garden over there, they're still empty, and it's a big job to fill them all, which I will get to, but I don't want to miss an opportunity to miss any growing season, so I'm building this raised bed. And you can too, for less than $80. Everything that you see right here, everything comes from the box store. It's all pre-cut. I don't have any material involved in this, like the screws or the nails or having to saw anything. All that's already done. So literally 15 minutes and this is installed and ready to go. And I like it, very flexible. Now, my favorite part about this bed is what's going in it, and that is the soil cubed veggie mix. This is what they call the big yellow bag. It's a cubic yard, and all of this will go in there, but it also comes in a smaller version called mini cubes. But whatever size you get, this is what you want if you have access to it. Now, this is regionally available in the Southeast, even out to Texas. But this source of material that makes up this composted veggie mix is from the farm and from trusted partners. And I have been using this for years, so I've seen a lot of growth out of this product, and I wouldn't consider anything else. So if you have access to this in the Southeast, take advantage of this. All right, that's what 1 cubic yard looks like in a 4-foot by 8-foot bed that's 12 inches high. So I would say that's exactly the right amount, because I'll have about an inch or so above the soil that I can add my shredded leaf mulch to cover up that soil. I don't want to have bare exposed soil any longer than necessary. And it'll be standing by ready to go when I'm ready to plant my plants. So I have a great backup plan with this bed. Now it's just 1 versus 16, but at least it's something if I don't end up getting to those in time. So all is well, and I'm thankful to have that soil cube veggie mix to get my plants off to a fast start and a great season.